If you're seeing the Squarespace message, "System encountered an error," don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to fix it fast. This issue usually comes from either a temporary Squarespace outage or a browser problem like a corrupted cookie or bad cache data. The good news is that you can troubleshoot it yourself in just a few minutes, and in most cases, you won't need any advanced technical skills. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the official Squarespace status page. This is the best place to check whether the problem is happening on Squarespace's side. Look for live application updates or incident logs, and pay close attention to any yellow or red bars for websites or authoring an editor. If you see active incidents there, that usually means the servers are overloaded or having temporary issues. In that case, the fix is not on your end. You'll simply need to wait a few minutes while Squarespace engineers deploy a repair. If the status page looks normal, the next step is to test in a private browser window. Open a new Incognito window in Chrome or a private browsing window in your browser of choice. Then go to squarespace.com, log in, and try editing your page again. This step helps you figure out whether the issue is caused by your regular browser session. If the error disappears in Incognito, that is a strong sign that your main browser session has a corrupted cookie, a cache issue, or stored site data that's interfering with Squarespace. That means the problem is local, and you can usually fix it by clearing the browser data for Squarespace. To do that, go into your browser settings and find cookies and site data, or look for site settings depending on the browser you use. Click Manage Cookies and Site Data, then delete everything listed under squarespace.com and your own domain name. This removes the save session data that may be causing the error. After that, clear your general browser cache as well. Cached files can sometimes conflict with updated website scripts, and that can trigger unexpected editor errors. Once the cache is cleared, completely close your browser, not just the tab, and reopen it fresh. Now sign back into Squarespace and try editing your page again. In many cases, that's enough to restore normal access and remove the system encountered an error message. If it still happens, repeat the process in another browser to confirm whether the issue is tied to one browser only. So to recap, always start by checking the official Squarespace status page, then test in Incognito, and if that works, clear cookies, site data, and cache for Squarespace before logging back in. That sequence solves a lot of these editor problems quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more fix-it guides, and I'll see you in the next one.